Good morning, everyone. This morning, CPI data, we're looking for what's expected is at 0.2, the core is 0.4. We also have jobless claims and petroleum report at 11. The market is looking for a weak number. They want to see a negative number. So anything, 0.1 or anything in the negative range, we may see the market try to push. If we come in hotter than that, it's a good chance that we'll see the market throw a temper tantrum. Definitely, petroleum report at 11. Bonds are up a little. Bitcoin's actually down. Gold's up a little. VIX is flat. The dollar's down this morning. That's good. See if we can get some continued pressure on that to help the market try to recover a little bit, at least get off these lows. Oscillators are negative 107 New York Stock Exchange. NASDAQ negative 126 for New York Stock Exchange. The put to call ratio is 102. The advanced decline lines are moving down. Small and mid caps are flattening out, so that's interesting. We covered that in last night's video. Taiwan semi beat as always. They always get a beat. Let's look at the SPY first. They always get beat and they always get beat down on it every time. So we got the SPY here. It's 15-minute chart. Watch the 358.76. Big level again today. This is the level we've been watching. If we do pull back, obviously watch yesterday's low and then 355.56 for support. If we do try to push today, at 362.13 / 362.17 is a zone we need to keep an eye on. Just wanted to draw that line for my own peace of mind. Let's look at the Qs real quick. The Qs has been trading much weaker. Let's zoom this out. The Qs has been trading much weaker here. And you can see it's been respecting this downtrend the last few days. Still watching the 361.62 level there to be taken out to move lower, or we could see a bounce. Watch your downtrend. We could see a bounce if we do try to push today. I would not be surprised to go back to 270. Let's watch 367.13 looks like for resistance if we do try to push. Let's call it 367.46, and let's put that in our color so we know it's a new line, and we need to see it be tested. So let's go to Taiwan semi. They beat as always. They always get beat up. They always beat on their earnings. They always get beat up. Kind of sad. But you can see it up here in pre-market. We have this foot here. Look, leg, heel. There's your arch, your ball. Your toes are curling up on this one. But let's keep an eye on this one. And you can see we're right back into this gap over here. Let's turn that off. Let's get this gap drawn. Wrong. And let's go back, turn our extended hours back on. You can see we're right into the gap now. So that gives us an idea of something to look for there. Remember, 86% of the time when the gap is filled, we see a reaction at the other side. Apple has some news. So Apple's news is pretty bearish actually. Not hitting their sales numbers. So we're going to keep an eye on this. Let's turn these moving averages off. So basically right here, 138. It's actually 138.77. That's going to be resistance / support. Let's see where we open up. There's a good chance. It looks like, you know, it wants to move down since that news has come out. We'll see where it's going. Delta Airlines, Delta, you know, they keep coming out. These airlines keep coming out. For one, we've seen that heavy jet flow yesterday. Keep that in mind. These airlines keep coming out painting this rosy portrait, but just a miss. Still, guidance was good. They're still talking like, you know, everything's great. But let's just keep an eye on it. This can go either way today, just like any play can go either way. Already seeing it starting to pull back some. We have resistance here at 30.70. That's an old line. I don't know when I drew that, for what reason, but it had to have been something back here that we put this line on here for, and it's working. So you can see the range here. If we do push, in which we were already at it, you can see, but you can see that range there that needed to be taken out, and we're right back to the range now. So see if we can push up above that. If we can hold 30.70, maybe we can push today. We're already back below it. That could be resistance. Same numbers. Tesla has been getting beat up on our triple top. I mean, it has performed very well, like beyond expectations, doing the measured move on it. You can see we're down here trying to hold. Let's go back. Trying to hold this 315.48. We called that out several times yesterday. If we do lose this today, watch for 209.18. If we do push, 222.57 is a big spot, very big spot. And you can see we're watching 222.57 to 224.57 as a zone. So let's keep an eye on that area. Let's go to Amazon. All right, so 112.05 support, 114.46 if we push. Let's talk about AA for a minute. They had that news come out that banning the availability of aluminum to Russia. So that made a nice move on that news yesterday. You can see a nice strong candle there on the daily. Kind of looks like a flag back into the 9 and push. Very nice move there. So let's see if we can. You can also see your range. You can see the range. This candle pushed right up, took it out, will pull back right to the top of those previous candles there. So we see the range that we need to take out on this one. Man, it's just been sad seeing some of these names beat up so bad. And I would like to hold, not so much the high, but if we can just hold this base right here, where the candles, the top of these candle bodies, would be nice for support and then push. That's about all I got today. CPI is going to set the market again for us. Remember, petroleum report. I'm not picking up any speakers at all yet today, but I'm sure somebody's probably going to come out and say something. So let's be patient. Hopefully we get a better trending day. It won't rain so bad than what we did yesterday. So let's use patience, discipline. I'll see you in the trading room. Let's get that money.